Hey, Bill here. October 4th, 5:41 p.m. So, been doing some work this afternoon. Trimmed the curb because the curdy cloth and the mortar added thickness, so I trimmed that. I trimmed the shower pan that's underneath the curdy cloth, and I cut the curdy cloth for the pan, and I've marked it using this cardboard template. I've marked it where I'm going to cut the hole for the drain piece. You cut the cloth for the pan a 1/4 inch short in each dimension. So I cut it a 1/2 inch short on each side, on each axis, and so you got about a 1/4 inch. And I think they said it's a 1/4 inch on each side, or maybe it's a 1/2. If so, I just cut more. So now I'm going to take this up and go downstairs and cut the hole out. I've cut the cloth for this wall, a piece here, a piece there all the way to the top, a piece from there to there, and a piece from, right there over. So, and for this piece I cut the holes out, got them pretty close, and cut the hole for that. The pieces have been test fitted and they're ready to go for tomorrow. I also cut 1 meter tall piece of fabric across. We can put that up, but I'm not sure. I haven't decided where the tiles are going to go, how high on this wall the tiles are going to go. I mean, they could go to the ceiling. It's just a question of, putting the shower or in the towel racks, drilling into ceramic tile and using mollies, or if we have the tile stop about here, somewhere in this neighborhood, you can go through drywall or just sand and paint this or wallpaper it. But it'll be tiled from here to there, somewhere up there. So I have to figure that out. I mean, I really don't have to put curdy cloth on this wall underneath the tile, but I have extra. I definitely wanted to put curdy cloth. Some would think this is a waste of money, even time, but put the curdy cloth here because it acts as a vapor barrier for the insulation. So that saved me a step on having to get plastic and screw, staple it and do all the tuck tape and all that stuff. So at least I hope that I'm not going to screw up royally in the future with that. But so here's the curb. It's got a bit of a gap so you can get mortar in between. And if I need a little bit more, it might even be too short. I might need to cut a little bit more. So you can always cut more, but you can't add back. And then I've also cut a lot of the. They have the curdy band, which is it's 5 inch wide band of cloth. That's half the thickness of this guy, the wall cloth. So you use it for the seam. So you got enough band for this. It's already cut. I got to cut another equal amount for here. And then we also, we do the pre-made curdy band with the gasket for this guy and this guy. And this is a whole different story. This is very serious there. But that's it. And so that's what's going on today. So I'm going to keep chugging, just pre-cutting everything, labeling them, writing with Sharpie, writing what they are. V upper. I guess that stood for valve, shower valve, valve upper, and down there it says valve lower. So, yeah, that's it. We're going to do tile up to the top, and I'm going to rent a really nice tile saw for like $250 for the week, so we can, do the cuts. So that means, you got to work pronto. You got to start at the bottom and, get it level, make it meet in the corner. We might be using this curdy band, this metal band that designed to go in the inside and outside corners to dress it up, and also to ease its installation. It's stainless steel, so provides a 1/4 inch, quarter round bump out, and it's stainless, so it looks nice. So you can also get the band for the corners, and then there's this. Well, even with this nice saw, if I go over into 2 weeks, it's still a lot less than buying it. So it's a lot less meat for me doing it than having the pros come and do it. So that's it for me today. All right, I'll see you later.